Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we're going to fix the lagging and the slowness on Windows 11. So let's move to Windows 11. So this is the Windows 11 PC I'm using here. So how to fix the slowness and the lagging issue on Windows 11 is very easy. So we need to do the basic settings here. So first of all, I suggest you to turn off the startup apps when we launch any app or when we reboot our system. So these apps automatically runs in the background as well as front of the screen. So make a right click on the taskbar and open the task manager. You can press ctrl shift and escape button together. Then go to startup apps, and from here, as I have already disabled all the apps here, I only suggest you to leave this security, only enable this app, and rest of the app you can disable. If OneDrive is taking more resources like RAM and memory as well as the hard disk, so make a right click on it and simply disable it. By disabling, these applications will not run automatically and only run when you launch them. So this is the first step. Now the move on to the second step. So in the second step, we will delete the temp and as well as the junk file from the Windows. This is a major problem to lagging and the slowness on Windows 11 and 10 as well. So right click here or go to search bar, tab there, run. You can press windows+r button in order to open the run command and tab the temp, T-E-M-P, and hit OK. Now you will see lot of files here. You need to press ctrl+A button and shift+delete. Shift delete will permanently delete all the files. So don't worry, these files are made by system, not by you. So you can also delete. Again press windows+R button and this time put the percentage in front of and from the back as well. Percentage, temp percentage, and hit OK. Now you will see again lot of file. The system creates automatically all the files. Ctrl+A plus shift delete. Now you will see here the permission. Okay, yes. Okay, now delete it. Again press windows+R button and this time prefetch, P-R-E-F-E-T-C-H, and hit OK. Yes, give the permission, continue. Again ctrl+A, same option, and shift+delete. Now this process will also free up your hard disk space as well. Again press windows+R and tap the cleanmgr. mgr like this, cleanmgr, and hit OK. Again hit OK. Now lot of video I have seen, they only suggest you to tick all the boxes here, but you need to select this option, clean up system files. This will delete the old file from your Windows when you upgraded your Windows. So system automatically makes the Windows old files like windows.old and other files. And now I will show you that it is scanning now. Just wait here some time. Now you can see when we just select that option, this option was not coming up, Windows Update Cleanup, as you can see here. Now I have to tick this option. Now 7 GB temporary file, 7 GB we have occupied, and we are going to free up the 7 GB now. Delete all files. So I have shown you in front of you guys, this is a very important step to clean up the old system file as well as the Windows update files. Now 7 GB is going to free up from your Windows. So this is the second method to boost your system performance. In the third method, we are going to disable the third-party apps. So press windows+r button together again and type for msconfig and hit OK. Once you hit OK, go to startup. Let me show you here. Services. Go to services and first select this option, hide all Microsoft services. So this will hide the Microsoft services. Now you can see the third-party services are here. So you can untick these options, like leave the Realtek audio driver and VLAN driver also. Graphics, these are not, like Google Update and all, we don't want to run this in the background. And click on disable all. Now all has been disabled. Click on apply and click on OK. Now if you face any issue after applying this method, you can revert back that. Like how to revert back that, let me show you. I have seen the comments like some Wi-Fi or other things not working, but you can again select that option, this option, enable all. Here all the services are enabled again, and click on apply and then click on OK and again restart your system. So this is for those reverting back, their system is not working properly or facing some issues, but this will boost your system performance. Okay, so this is the third step. In the fourth step, we will set our system to the best performance. So again we need to press windows+r, or you can directly go to search, type there run, and on the run search bar we need to type as sysdm.cpl. I am giving you the advanced commands, so directly opening the system properties. Now again you need to go to here, advanced, okay, and go to this option, performance, and from here, as you can see, select here the custom and only leave these options, show thumbnails instead of icons, smooth edge of screen fonts. Only leave these. As you can see, you can also tick this option, adjust for best performance, but you will not see the images and icons good. Let me show you here. The icon will be changed, but this will boost your performance for sure. Now you will see the some differences in the icons as well as the letters, but this process will boost your performance. So if you don't want to see the icons like these, again you can go to this option, custom, and I have selected that thumbnail, smooth as in screen fonts. Only two options here. Click on apply, click on OK, click on OK. Now you can see it has changed now and showing properly. So these are the fourth step, guys. And also I would like to give you a tip that you need to always keep your system up to date so that your system performance will boost as well as security. And always scan your system once in a month so that if there is any virus or the other attack on your system, you can fix that. So this is how, guys, you can boost and fix the lagging and the slowness performance of your Windows 11. Hope this video useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Stack.